Staff canteen. They went to the staff canteen for lunch.
Colleague. Carmen Rodriguez is Stephanie's new colleague.
Co-workers. My co-workers all helped me when I started in this job. Degree. I have just finished a degree in business studies.
Facilities. Are the facilities good where you work? Graduate trainee. The company recruits groups of graduate trainees. Induction program. You go on an induction program when you join the company.
Information pack. We give new members of staff an information pack.
Introduce yourself. Let me introduce myself.
Join. Peter has just joined the marketing department. Manage a team. I manage a team of 5.
Management. I work in the facilities management department. Notice board. We use the notice board to announce new recruits.
New recruit. We give all new recruits a tour of the building. Supervisor. I met my supervisor on my first day. Give somebody a guided tour. I'll give you a guided tour of the building.
Make you feel welcome. My new colleagues made me feel welcome when I started. Work experience. Could you tell us about your work experience, please?
Brand, competitors, consumer, employ, employee, head office, manufacture, operate, organize, product, provide, recruit, sales, sell, turnover.